Aparna Roy, a B.Ed first semester from Siliguri Tarai B.Ed College and Siliguri Primary Teachers College. I am from English Method and today my class is about a very important topic, part of speech, and discuss them. So what are actually part of speech? Words are divided into different kinds or class called part of speech according to their use or according to the work they do in sentence. The part of speech are 8 in number, and those part of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Today only we discuss 3 points: noun, pronoun, verb. Let us try to understand what they do and how can we understand. Noun. Noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing, animals, feeling and idea. So we can say that noun are the word we use name. Like for example, Ashok is a nice boy. We can see here Ashok is a name and hence a noun, and has used the boy here representing noun. Another example, Akbar was a great king. Next part of speech was pronoun. Pronoun is a word used to replace the noun because we cannot use the name every time in the sentence or paragraph. We can see here, for example, Preeti is a good dancer. She loves dancing. Here I have used the word she as a pronoun, as a pronoun at the place of Preeti, because is the name, so replace she. Another example, the book are where you left them. Coming to the next point, verb. Verb. A verb is a word used to express on action or state. Actually, verb is the most important part of speech because we cannot complete sentence without verb. We can see an example. I am writing a book. Writing is a action word, so I have underlined the writing word. For next example, I am a teacher. Can you see the verb here? I underline am. Am is not a physical verb, but it act as a verb. Here. So we can see that but verb is here. As I already told you, verb is very important because we can be no complete without verb. Later on discuss the other part. Thank you.